Work continues at the house. I got my door seals in, all that stuff, so I got to start rebuilding the doors. Having some issues with the windshield wipers placement post cowl, so figuring that one out. But all in all, we're moving forward. Thing looks just great.
Oh, I'm sorry, look.
Combination of PB blaster, a torch, and heat on those bolts. This may could take a week. I don't know, but we will get it done. It just takes time. They're really in there and rusted shut, but I think with the combination of heat cooling, and juice, things should break open. All right, so heated, cooled, heated, cooled, heated, cooled, heated, cooled, PB blaster, and then heated, cooled, heated, cooled, heated, cooled. Maybe they'll come out. All right, checking out the luxury space. You can see what still has to be removed. The rear end, the mounts, all that. And that is that piece right there. So we're doing well. Apparently we're feeding birds. I don't know what that's about. Anyway, that piece, by the way, is gonna go between the cab and the bed. That's gotta be replaced too. And that's where that top piece goes. So crews did a great job with removing that chunk of metal that is over on the recycling cart, and preparing for this new piece of metal that will replace that big old chunk that is now removed. Progress.